Hey there, home bakers. Welcome back to another delicious adventure in the kitchen. Ready to make the best strawberry shortcake ever? Let's dive right in. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need a few simple yet essential items to create this mouth-watering dessert. Fresh strawberries, sugar, flour, baking powder, salt, butter, heavy cream, and a little vanilla extract. Got that? Great. These ingredients are the foundation of our delightful shortcake. Let's start with the star of our show, the strawberries. Fresh, juicy strawberries are key to making this dessert truly special. Slice up about 2 cups of strawberries and toss them in a bowl with a 1/4 cup of sugar. This will help bring out their natural sweetness. Give them a good mix and set them aside to get all juicy and sweet. This step is crucial as it allows the strawberries to macerate, creating a delicious syrup. In a large bowl, mix together 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk it up. This will ensure that all the dry ingredients are evenly distributed. Next, cut in half a cup of cold butter until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. The cold butter is what gives the shortcake its flaky texture. You can use a pastry cutter or just your hands. Whatever works for you, just make sure the butter is well incorporated into the flour mixture. Time for the wet ingredients. This is where the magic happens. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla adds a lovely aroma and flavor to the shortcake. Pour this into your dry mix and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the shortcake tough. Don't overmix. You want your dough to be soft but not sticky. The key is to handle the dough as little as possible. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and gently knead it a few times. This helps to bring the dough together without overworking it. Pat it out to about 1/2 inch thick and use a biscuit cutter to cut out your shortcakes. This will give you perfectly shaped shortcakes every time. You should get about 6 to 8 of them, depending on the size of your cutter. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This will prevent them from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Pop them into a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12-15 minutes, or until they're golden brown. Keep an eye on them to ensure they don't overbake. While they're baking, you can whip up some fresh cream. This is the perfect topping for our shortcakes. Just beat 1 cup of heavy cream with a couple tablespoons of sugar until you get nice soft peaks. This will give you a light and fluffy whipped cream. Once your shortcakes are cool, slice them in half. This will create a perfect base for our strawberries and cream. Spoon a generous amount of those juicy strawberries onto the bottom half, add a dollop of whipped cream, and then top with the other half of the shortcake. This layering creates a beautiful and delicious dessert. You can add a little extra cream on top if you're feeling fancy. It's all about making it your own, and there you have it, a delightful strawberry shortcake that's sure to impress. The best strawberry shortcake ever. It's a perfect blend of sweet, creamy, and flaky goodness. Perfect for a summer treat, a special dessert, or just because you deserve it. This dessert is versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking. Music. Cheerful, upbeat, happy.